Let's be school ready with Teacher Ray. BE Verbs: am, is, are, was, were. Are you ready? Let's begin. I am happy. The bag is new. The flowers are pretty. He was sleepy. They were kind. The underlined words are called BE verbs. Am is used with I. It is in the present tense. Example: I am sick. I am a student. Remember, present tense means things that happen now or things that happen every day. Is used with singular subjects. It is in the present tense. Example: the cat is cute. He is mad. Remember, singular means only one. Are is used with plural subjects. It is in the present tense. Example: we are friends. The fruits are fresh. Remember, plural means more than one. Was is used with singular subjects, but in the past tense. Example: the cake was sweet. The car was fast. Remember, past tense means things that already happened, like yesterday or last week. Were is used with plural subjects, but in the past tense. Example: the cookies were yummy. The boxes were empty. You are awesome! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching!